welcome back to another LEGO video. This video is going to be a custom car that I made. It's not really a car, it's used as a remote control car if you want to put it in your city. So you're going to need these pieces. So I don't know what this piece is called, but it looks like that. Right? You need 2 of those. You need 4 of these black studs. You need a 3x2 yellow plate, a 1x1 flat stud like that, and you need 2 of those. You need 2 1x1 clear studs like that with a stud on top. You need a 1x2 yellow plate. You need a 1x2 yellow flat piece, and you need 2 clear 1x1 angled pieces like that. So I'm gonna build this together. So get these 2 pieces right here, face it like that, get the 3x2 plate, put it on top of that, then get this, pull it like that, then see those holes? Get this black piece, just put it inside the holes like that, so for all of them, so they're used as wheels, right? Then get a 2x1 flat piece, put it like that to cover the gray spot right there. Then get this piece, put it right at there behind, get these pieces and put them right here for glass. Then get these pieces, put them like that. Then get the 1x1 flat piece, put it on the roof, and then get the final piece and put it right there. And this is the remote control car. It's small, that's why it's a remote control car. It's a cabbie. So yeah, if you have these pieces and if you want to make a remote control car, I suggest to make this one right here. And I hope this video helped you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this, and see you later.